How's it going, guys? I'm TJ with Truck Brigade, and today we are doing a quick review of the PrinSu Design awning brackets. One thing to note is these are sold as a kit, so included with your package will be a set of 2 awning brackets along with the mounting hardware necessary to complete the install. Now these are made from 1/8 inch steel, and they receive a black powder coat finish to ensure against rust and corrosion. In terms of functionality, one thing to note is that they only accommodate the 1 inch by 2 inch crossbars. They will not work with the older design. So if you have any questions in regards to that, we recommend contacting us so we can confirm compatibility. Now these are compatible with a lot of the most major awnings that are out there. This includes ARB, Rome, Thule, and the list goes on. So if you'd like to confirm compatibility with your awning or your PrinSu rack, please feel free to reach out to us, www.truckbrigade.com. Thanks and have a great day.